Hey guys, I'm Christina with Puro 3, and today I want to talk to you about our ozonated oil deodorants. Our pure vegan formula provides a non-toxic, aluminum and paraben-free option, as simple and as pure as it gets. How do our deodorants work? Let's start by going over the process of how sweat causes odor. It all points to bacteria. Deodorant is typically used on the underarms, which are moist environments, aka where bacteria thrive. Now, sweat itself does not have its own odor, but once it comes into contact with the bacteria, it causes a reaction that produces one. Some deodorants are combined with aluminum salts to prevent the action of sweating, but we kept ours natural. Our deodorants have antimicrobial properties that help to decrease the amount of bacteria that causes odor, as well as fragrances to help mask odor. And we've increased the antimicrobial properties of our deodorants by using ozonated oils. Therefore, you'll still experience sweating, but not the odor. Now, once you start using the deodorants for the first time, you may not experience a decrease in odor. That's totally normal. Your body is detoxing from your previous deodorant, but after a few uses, you'll start to smell a change. If you're ready to make the transition, head on over to our other video, How to Apply Puro 3's Ozonated Oil Deodorant, to see how to get the most out of your new deodorant. If you have more questions about our ozonated oil deodorants, please submit them through our website, www.puro3.com. Thanks for watching, guys, and as always, make sure to stay updated with our latest products and sales by following our social media accounts.